Howdy. What? Do you want to ride?
I want to ride.
I got a helmet.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you give me a ride?
Sure, why not? Where are you going?
I'm going to.
I don't know where the fuck that is, but you can take me. Hold on. Fuck you, why not? Brennan, nice to meet you. What was your name?
I'm Claire.
Claire? Brennan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hold on here.
Shit, where are you going, man?
I'm just riding around.
Party?
No, I'm not in college currently, and that's kind of, I don't know. It seems kind of weird. Maybe
You have
not.
to be in college. What are you doing then?
I just work over at college. Now, I would be careful with the earrings. I'm not really sure how they would. How much? Okay. Okay.
I'm really into the earrings, so.
Oh, yeah?
They're alright. I don't have to buckle this, though, do I?
It's up to you, not really. It's fine.
Can I trust you?
Yeah, you can trust me.
I mean, I'm just going up the street and to the left.
It's up to you to the left, like first left, or you can just.
No, it's like the last left.
All right. I've lived here like a year and a half, maybe.
Hold on.
All right. Oh, we get out here first. Ugh. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, so I'm gonna warn you, I hold on tight.
All right, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be pretty cold for you, anyways, because it's
Okay.
it's pretty chilly out right now. Ooh, you got back pegs if you need to use them.
Huh?
You have back pegs too if you need them.
This is exactly what I needed.
What?
I said this is exactly what I needed.
Yeah?
Just ride around, looking people up and
Well, if they want to be. Usually I just ride around in general. Oh, we got cops here. We're turning left, right? You're good?
Yep.
Alright, I'll wait for these people to pass. Actually, I usually record and just throw them on YouTube for the shits and giggles, but
Oh, really?
let me know if you want to be or not, because I'm actually currently recording right now, but yeah. Cops out like fucking crazy.
They really are.
It's like the 8th cop.
Like, you can't think of anything better to do.
Right? Like, come on. It's the first weekend back at college.
College students.
Right?
I don't know. I get questioned on my ID all the time. Like, I have an ID from New Jersey.
Oh, really?
I'm 22, but I get questioned every time.
Where are we going, left, right?
So, yeah, this actually big house right here.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Unless you want to ride anywhere else, but.
I'm just picking up beer and going to a party. Be invited if you want to go.
Oh, maybe.
It's fine.
You sure? I can bring you like right up to the
Dude,
dessert.
thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Anytime. I'll take
You
that
sure you don't
transfer.
wanna go?
I mean, where's it at?
Let's see. 50. It's like this green house. I mean, it's a college house, so there's some new girls every time. Guys, I don't know.
Oh, maybe I'll show up.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Well,
Is it like a specific time, or is it just going throughout the night?
Just open. Yeah. I mean, it's not like a party. Like it's kind of like a party before the party.
It's the pre-party.
Like, we all just did t-shirts at.
Yeah, no, I go to a couple times.
So I saw you. Just wanted to know if I can get your number.
Sorry?
I wanted to know if I can get your number.
My number?
Yeah.
I'm not from here.
You're not from here? Oh, wow. There you go.
Oh my God!
Thanks so much. Have a good day. Hi, nice name. Nice to meet you. I'm Valerian.
Thanks.
No problem. You too. Have a good day.
You're cute.
Thank you.
What's up? Your dad gonna kill me? You don't have pockets?
No, I feel like it's going
It will fall off. Your dad's okay with you to get on a motorcycle? Okay. Do you want to go to my house or you want to go somewhere? Go ahead. You told him I was coming?
No, he just got home.
Let me see. So I should be quiet getting out of here?
No, it doesn't matter. He's cool. Not home from work. We were just
conversating, catching up.
Do you know, like, not to, like, wait. Oh, okay. Don't, like, pull on me.
I won't.
Can you touch the tank or no?
Huh?
Can you put your hands on the tank or no? Your hands?
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, no, you can put it on me, but, like...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
A few inches later.
Thank you, look awesome.
No problem.
You wanna be my Valentine? Yeah? You should pull over. Can we get a picture? Yeah!
Here, let's do it. Yeah, that's good. Ready?
Hey, I thought you were really cute. Can I get your number?
Shut up, bye.
No? Can I? What is it? I'm just kidding. Do you want to get married? We're getting married? We're having babies? Oh my gosh. Dude, this turned out different than I thought. I can't kiss you, my helmet's on. So...
Do you think they call it sand because it's between the sea and the land?
Sand?
Yeah. You think so? Oh, right on. How you doing today? Oh, good. You heading home or where are you going? All right, have fun, all right? Oh, wait, we can't go yet. All right. Another question. How many, is there 20 letters in the alphabet? How many? Oh, that's right. I forgot you are a cutie. Don't worry, I'll give you the D later.
Should we ask this girl for her number? Can I get your number? I think you're really cute. What? My friend's number. She wants your number, not mine. Oh, wow. Okay.
Who's having a good time?
Hello. There you go.
Oh, I'm taking you. Do you know what you're doing? No, you're not. I'll bring you back.
No, I have to get up here anyway.
Oh, do you? All right. Whatever. All right. I hope you've enjoyed your ride. You want me to bring you back?
Oh, I'll catch up. You're the best, boo. Thanks, babe.
Hey, here. You're going on YouTube.
You're so hot.
Have a great day.
Where you ending up?
So yeah, I'm going home.
Home? Where'd you go out drinking?
I got off work early and went to the Witch.
Mm-hmm.
Went to the little river
I'm gonna
walk.
catch you at the next light. Oh, boys, we're for sure getting her number. How about you take down my number to make this a little easier?
Hey, sir. I see.
Hey, tell them to hold up.
So what is your number? Where are you from?
Barrington.
Oh,
Just call her right now.
I'm from Chicago.
So, I come down here all the time.
Born and raised here.
I'm originally from Jersey. Pick up your phone.
Hi. I just have to give you one of these. One more thing. I don't know, is it working on you?
It's working.
Yes!
Come on, Nan, get on. Oh my God.
Bye.
See ya.
I'm so comfy right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna stay here. Why? Emily, shut up.
What's that? You want to ride? Yeah. Do you? All right. You've never been on a motorcycle before? Up on the pegs right there. Nope, that's a muffler. There you go. Yeah, right there. Yeah. I won't fall over. Oh, what's your name? What's your name? Emma. Emma? I'm not gonna fall over. You from around here? Green Bay. Yeah. You in college? Huh? What, you in college? Well, just graduated. College? No. High school? No. God damn. You make me feel old. How old are you? 24. What's that? You're going to Milwaukee? That's a good school. You're not gonna fall. Just get off on the left side.